Hello folks, Jim here from Fifield Farm. We're here with the 1953 Dodge pickup again. We're going to change the oil in it today. So we have to get it warmed up to operating temperature first. So we'll get it fired up. We'll run it almost at full operating temperature. We're running VR1 classic car oil. It has the zinc in it. Okay, now we got it warmed up. Pop off the oil fill cap. We'll lift her up with the hoist. So I just got to do the old shake test once you get it up in the air a couple inches. Bring it back down on the hard stops. And we should be ready to go here. I had just changed the oil in this less than 100 miles. It was 19 years ago though. I think it's time. Oh yeah. Look at that sludge. Okay, we let that drain for a few minutes. Make sure we wipe off our drain plug surface. The drain plug has a sealing ring on it. I cleaned that all up. Make sure that's on there. It's either a gasket. In this case, it's a steel ring. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Should go all the way in without any resistance. If it's not going in, it's cross threaded. Stop, don't force it. Couple little tugs. Wipe off any excess. Now we'll go up top and change the oil filter. Have to bring your lift up to get it off the locks. Walk around the vehicle, not under the vehicle. Release your locks. This is your external oil filter. And make sure it's clean on top. You don't want to drop any debris down in the engine. In this case, it's 1 inch. The new filter comes with a new gasket. You want to clean all these surfaces up. Talk about sludge. We're going to wipe as much of this sludge out of here as we can. Now the one oil line comes off here to the side. I can feel that. That's clean. I'm concerned with the one at the very bottom, but I think it comes up here to the side. So I don't think that sludge is going to affect the pickup of the oil. At least I hope not. You see the drain up there at 1 o'clock. I needed to go in there physically clean it anyway, so I'm kind of glad it worked out the way it did. And someone's going to say, are you going to fill it up with oil? And the answer is, now that you mentioned it, yes. A little bit of oil on our gasket. It's supposed to take 5 quarts of oil. This also has a filter in it. Just wash it out in the solvent tank, I believe. It's not really washable, it's replaceable. I don't see a lot of dirt in it. It's the breather for the crankcase. The air that gets sucked out through the road draft tube that I talked about in the last video, it enters here, goes through the engine and exits out that road draft tube. Okay, that was 4 quarts. Let's see if we're seeing anything on the dipstick. And I'm exactly 1 quart low. So we will put the 5th one in. Probably going to lose a little bit to the filter because I didn't fill it right to the top. I was within an inch of the top. Pretty good. We're going to run it right there. And put the breather back on. Oil pressure just came up to 40. No leaks. She's still looking a quart low. Oh. I think it's 5 quarts plus the filter, so. About 3/4 of the way up to full. So I would say that's a good, it's hard to say here with this dipstick too. So basically the engine holds 5, the oil filter holds 1. There we go. Well, there you go. E-3-108. 108's the bed size. It's a short bed truck. This truck, the history on this truck is it came from Pennsylvania. It was owned by a hardware store. They used it for deliveries. It never had a heater core in it. So it was only used 3 seasons. It wasn't used in the winter. And that might be why it's in such good shape. I've had it 19 years. The guy that I bought it from actually is the one that bought it from the hardware store. He brought it to Michigan and used it as yard art for 9 years. And the thing that probably saved it, though, is that he would pull it into the barn or under a lean-to in the wintertime up here, but never drove it. I believe he's the one that actually installed the heater core in it because it does have a heat, it does have fan. And then I bought it, well, because the wife saw it for sale on Main Street downtown. And since I worked for Dodge City Complex in Warren, where this truck was made at, Dodge plant, I worked next door at Warren Stamping. But I just had to have it. I went and checked it out and everything worked. All the lights worked, dash lights worked. The horn blew. It definitely had my name written all over it. So that's when I purchased it. And unfortunately, after the first year of owning it, the brakes went out, and that's when it got pulled in the shop and shut off. And the rest is history. If you watch the other video of me getting it running, you'll hear more about that. So, well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Next will be the brakes. We'll get them done, and we'll catch you on the next video.